Hello everyone, I am Akash Dikshit. Today is 16 September 2021. Today we discuss about control statement in Java. What is the control statement? The control statement, it is the statement that can determine whether the other statement will be executed. This control statement, there are three types. First is conditional statement, iterative statement and transfer statement. First, the conditional statement, they have some types. First is if condition, if else condition, if else later condition, nested if else, and last is switch. Other is iterative statement, which have three types: for loop, while loop and do while loop. In the last is transfer statement. They have three or four types: break statement, switch, break statement, long statement, go to statement, and continue statement. First, in conditional statement, we discuss about if it is used, the if is used in a program. If is used for the single statement that can be true, then the execution of the statement will be done. It is used for only one statement. Second is if else. The if else is used in a program for true or false condition. If the given condition is true, the body in the loop will be executed. If the condition is false, the outside the body statement will be executed. Then the iterative statement, which have three types. That one type we will discuss: while loop. While loop is the control for statement that can allow the byte byte execution that will be repeated on the basis of given Boolean equation. In the while loop, there is compulsory to have equation that can be true or false. That's mean it is Boolean condition is required. Without curly bracket in while loop, the given statement will be executed, but this statement is not be the declarative statement. Last is transfer statement. In transfer statement, they have four types: break, continue, go to, and the break is discussed. The break is used to stop the execution of the loop, but break statement is only used in the switch or while loop.